Check this out.
You do realize for me to treat you traditionally and treat you like a lady, that means I must look at you as an inferior, right?
Yeah.
When a man loves a woman, he loves her like she's his daughter. He looks after her, he protects her, he provides for her, he does everything for her. The woman loves him like her father.
No shit.
But in our nature, we are meant to lose a parent, but we're not meant or built to lose a child.
For real, for real.
If I'm expected to protect you, provide for you, lead you, and I'm responsible for you, are we really equal?
Very good question.
Females and males are very different. What most of us don't know, humans don't know, is we're born with all of our eggs. They form when we're 5 months in utero. They finish forming inside of our mothers, and we start losing them from that point. So we lose the amount and we lose the quality.
They gain value possibly in your husband's eyes, but not to just men on the market. You're older and used. No product gains value, and you ladies would sit there and fight logic.
By the time we're born, we have about 1 to 2 million eggs. That's got to last us as long as they last. By the time we're 30, so we start ovulating. Each month we lose about 11,000.
Wow, man. Damn.
We go through puberty and we begin the ovulation process if we're healthy. Then at about age 30, we are down to 10% of our egg supply.
Damn.
And by the age of 40, we are down to 3%. Menopause is complete senescence of that ability to ovulate.
So by math, you've just said women have roughly a 10-year period before their value dips below men. So it doesn't matter if men aren't ready. Men have a fucking lifetime. Women got 10 years.
In August, it'll be 68 years. And right now, we're doing reverse roles. For the first half of our marriage are over. He took excellent care of me and everything, so I didn't have any of the worries and responsibilities.
That's what I'm talking about.
In the senior, challenging period, we've reversed roles, so I'm taking care of him.
Ladies, men are not complicated at all.
You ain't never lied.
I want you to be for me. I want you to ride for me. I want you to always be on my side. I should never look at you and question whose side you on.
I value a dollar, I value, loyalty. I value respect, character.
Bitches go man to man, money go hand to hand.
You feel me? You feel me though?
You did. But when I got a wife, you get a good thing.
If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button or follow, and y'all be good.